Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Marjana's Kitchen, where today we'll be showing you how to make this delicious tasty Shim Vorta. This dish is so simple, quick and easy to make. It's ready under 15 minutes. You will literally only need 5 ingredients to make this lovely dish. You will need some Shim Vorta, also known as Hyacinth beans, traditional bean from Bangladesh, salt to taste, some finely sliced red onions, a handful of coriander, some dry chilli and green chilies. So I've got my wok on the cooker now on a medium heat. I'm going to pop the green beans into the hot pan, and then I'm going to add a little bit of water and add salt to taste and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Make sure you cover it as well. Okay, so the green beans have been cooking for about 10 minutes now. You can see that the water has dehydrated. I'm going to turn off the cooker now and let the beans cool down for a minute or two. Okay, well the beans have cooled down now, so I'm going to pop them into a bowl and then add all the ingredients. First add the onions, then add a handful of coriander, add the green chilies and dry chilies. You can crush them a little bit more with your fingers, then add salt to taste. Mix all the ingredients together using your hands, making sure all the ingredients are well combined. And then lastly, we're going to add some mustard oil. Well, wasn't that a quick and easy recipe to make? This is literally my first time making this dish and it was delicious. I hope you enjoyed watching this episode of Marjana's Kitchen. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe.